Morning students. Today I am going to start your civics lesson 2. Name of the lesson is diversity and discrimination. If you look around in your class or in society or even in your own house, you will find people of different nature, physique, dresses, their food habits. Some people speak rudely and some people speak politely. It is because diversity is not always appreciated or taken positively. We feel comfortable and safe in the company of people who are like us. And those people who are different or unfamiliar, we form negative opinion about them. This is called prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively. For example, we think that English is the best language in the world, and we respect those people who speak English very well. Another example is from economic background. In our country, some people are very, very poor. They have not enough money or resources to fulfill their needs, like food, cloth, shelter. They are discriminated everywhere. After that, urban and rural people. Urban and rural people. Have you seen a person who wears dhoti and kurta? You think that he is illiterate or backward class people? No. He is a villager. Both urban and rural people have their own opinion about each other. According to rural people means the village people. They think that urban people are corrupt and cunning. They are fond of money. They have a very little time to spend with each other. And the urban people think that the village people are illiterate and backward. They don't use modern agricultural technology. They are full of superstitions. Like this. After that, creating a stereotype. Creating stereotypes. When we fix the people into one image, we form a stereotype. For example, you must have heard people are saying girls are weak in maths. Girls are weaker than boys. Boys are naughty. Boys are strong and brave. These are stereotypes. But it is not true for boys as well as girls. Now the gender differentiation. Gender differentiation. Boys and girls in our country are brought up in different manners. Boys are told to be brave and strong. Women do household work like cooking, washing clothes, tailoring, take care of their children. The stereotypical thinking that girls have to leave their parents after marriage affect the life of a daughter right from her birth to marriage. They are believed to be temporary members in their own family. They are not equal as the boys in the family. They are not given equal opportunity to go to school or colleges for higher education. Now the discrimination. Discrimination happens when we act on prejudices or stereotypes. Stereotypes leads to discrimination. Discrimination is when someone is treated as inferior to other people because of their gender, race, color, etc. When we judge the people or a group of people based on their prejudices or stereotype, it leads to discrimination. When we judge the people or group based on their prejudices or stereotype, it leads to discrimination. That's all, my dear students. Now all of you do your assignment. I am going to write your assignment.